We are now going to set the workpiece origin to the top surface on that dot in the X and Y direction. Start in the jog motion mode. To switch between the modes, press Shift. Stepping, jog. These 6 directional buttons correspond to the positive and negative movement of that axis. Roughly position the tooltip above where we want the workpiece origin using these buttons. We can use either T1 or T2 to set the origin. Once you are close to the origin, once again press Shift to switch to the stepping motion mode. This allows for fine control of the motion. Every time one of these directional buttons is pressed, the router will move by a small distance equal to 1 step. Now that the tooltip is in position on the top surface at the origin point, we can set X and Y to 0. Please note this is only positioned roughly for the demonstration. To set the XY coordinates to 0, press the XY equals 0 button here. Press OK. As you can see, the X and Y coordinates have now changed to 0. Next, we will now set Z to 0 by applying an offset between the table and the top surface where the tooltip is currently positioned. To do this, press Z equals 0 and press OK. As you can see, Z has now been set to 0. This is the alternative method to set the Z workpiece origin to the top surface of the material. Place the tool sensor onto the top surface of the material and jog the end of the tooltip until it is above the presetter. Then hold Shift and press 9. The spindle will lower until it touches the presetter. This is equivalent to driving the tooltip to the top surface of the material and pressing the Z equals 0 button. We can see this offset. We navigate to Menu, scroll down to Operation Parameters, scroll down to Offset, Work Offset, and then G54, the default workpiece. And we can see the Z-axis has been set to 45.3, which is the top height of the material.